Welcome to this session, where we'll review together how to move from managing your projects in Microsoft Project to managing them in Planisware. Before going into a project itself, let's bring the projects that live in Microsoft Project over to Planisware. To make things easier, I'll go into my own specific projects. Here I can see a list of existing projects. We have a standard connector to MS Project that lets you either import projects one by one or by running a bulk import. That's what we're going to do here. I've already exported a few MS Project files, so I can drag and drop them all at once. It's loading each of them and confirming they've been imported. Once the import is done, I have access to all of those projects. If I go into one, everything that lived in the Microsoft Project schedule has been brought across. Planisware has best-in-class scheduling capabilities, so you keep all the information you had in MS Project, plus more. Here's my schedule with all its links, all its constraints, and the calendar if one was specified. Everything is aligned with your schedule as it was before. Now that the project sits in Planisware, you can change dates the way you used to, and you can see the critical path at a glance. You can add new activities whenever you need to, and from there create links either in the graphical view or in the table view. You can also see which dates were modified recently, just like before. From here, I can create activities one by one or create them from libraries. This works for activities, and it works for everything else in the system. You'll see that risk management, resource load, and documentation can all be added through libraries or registers. Now let's say I'm done scheduling and I want to check the quality of my schedule. If I don't understand why a specific activity starts or finishes where it does, there's a quick activity inspector that shows all the constraints and explains how the activity landed on that date. Beyond that, we have what we call a data quality analysis, based on the DCMA rules along with our own best practices. You can also add your own quality checks. From here, I can quickly see whether I'm aligned with the checks I need to run, and if something is off, I can go activity by activity and correct it. On each activity, I can have a quick exchange with the other people making changes on the project. There's a communication tab where I can see the changes that have happened, either on the specific task or on the project as a whole. I can ask someone to update a task directly from there, and this communication can also be integrated with Teams. I can also track my schedule over time with status snapshots. Some have already been created, and I can create a new one whenever I want. This is an existing project, so a few snapshots already exist. Let's call this one my initial review and save it. That will let me compare data as the project evolves. Stay tuned for our next session on stage gate governance and dashboards.